plumpy, moisturizing, watery, shiny skin. I know it promises hydration, but do you know that the more you use it, the more dehydrated your skin would get? So let's get into this topic. Are you misusing hyaluronic acid? Hello everybody, my name is Gladys. Welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is hyaluronic acid. Everybody knows about this ingredient. Everybody, well, not everybody, some of them swear by these ingredients in their skincare routine. However, there's also another group of people that says the more hyaluronic acid you use, the drier your skin will get. Recently, I have encountered an article written by Bazaar talking about hyaluronic acids, and it actually gave me some more perspective on hyaluronic acid within our skincare routine. And some of it, I find it very interesting and very educational. In reference to that article, I made this video so that I can share this information with everybody, so you can decide whether you want this claim to be like this holy grail moisturizing ingredients in your skincare routine. So let's get started. So hyaluronic acid is naturally produced by our body. It's a humectant, it's a plumber, it's anti-inflammatory, and it's a protector. It's found in our skin. It holds 1,000 times of its weight. So it gets its water from our food, from the water we drink in our body. And this natural occurring hyaluronic acid has high molecule weight so that it can be kept underneath our skin, in the deeper layer of our skin, in our dermis. However, what you can find in most of the ingredients that is included in our skincare are in low molecule weight. Why does it have to be low? And sometimes they would hydrolyze it, or they will also call it sodium hyaluronic. So it's pretty much the same. You know, hyaluronic acid is like an umbrella name for all these ingredients. They're mostly in low molecule weight. Why does it have to be low molecule weight? Because it helps to penetrate into our skin. Now, here comes the problem. In a lot of advertisement, or in a lot of people swearing HA in their skincare routine, they claim that, oh my god, this ingredients hold 1,000 times, 6,000 times of its weight of moisture in our skin. So you think that, oh, you know, if my skin lacks moisture, I'm gonna put that onto my skin so it can also give me that moisture within our skin. It can hydrate our skin. But have you ever think, where does this skincare ingredient get their moisture from? Okay, don't forget, just now I was talking about the natural occurring hyaluronic acids draw or source the moisture from the things that we eat. So where does this topical use of hyaluronic acid that we found in our skincare ingredients, where do they source their moisture? Some of the skincare brands claim that it's going to draw moisture from the atmosphere, but if you really think about it, in our air, it only contains 0.2% to 4% of moisture in the air. 4% is as humid as, you know, if you are standing in a steam room. There isn't just a lot of moisture that the ingredient itself can source. So where it's gonna source moisture from? It's just gonna source directly from where it's attached. That's your skin. So what does the hyaluronic acid do on your skin? It will draw moisture from the deeper layer of your skin to the upper layer of your skin, where you apply your, you know, serum or moisturizer, and your skin will immediately feel plumper, more shiny, more hydrating. However, there's a catch, and this is why some of the people say that hyaluronic acid will actually dehydrate your skin. So when you draw that moisture from the dermis, from a deeper layer of your skin, it will eventually evaporate because it's closer to the air, okay? So moisture evaporates, then what? Then your skin will dehydrated again. So you're gonna put more of the hyaluronic acid on your face. So it's gonna draw more moisture from the deeper layer of your skin. And if you continue to do this, it will actually dehydrate your skin. That's why some people experience some rashes or redness or dryness after they have used a hyaluronic acid as part of their skincare routine. So dermatologist Shireen She said that hyaluronic acid should not be used as a hydrator, it should only be used as a plumper because it can immediately give you that plumper effect by drawing moisture from your skin. If you want to use hyaluronic acid in your skincare routine, only use it as one of the steps as part of your routine. Don't include that in every single product you use in your skin, because if your skin is already dehydrated, you're probably going to experience even more dehydration. And also there are a lot of study that says, low molecule weight hyaluronic acids, which you can find in a lot of the skincare products ingredients, actually is pro-inflammation. So it can set out inflammation to your skin potentially. There's a lot of study that says about this. So that's why a lot of people are experiencing redness or dryness after they have incorporated this ingredient into their skincare routine. Then you're gonna ask, but a lot of people swear by it. They say that their skin feel plumper. They just love the ingredients because they really experience that moisture in their skin. I do want to remind you, in those products that you use, there are a lot of ingredients that are involved in that particular product. Is it HA that gives you that plumpness, that hydration in your skin? You don't know, unless you can eliminate all the ingredients that can be found in your skincare routine, which is not possible. What can you do? This is also my question. What can we do? Hyaluronic acid is a good ingredient. So how can I make use of these good ingredients? So suggested by Dr. Shireen, she said that only include this as one of the steps in your skincare routine if you really cannot depart from it. But her best advice is to try to only use it once in a while. And another dermatologist also suggested that why don't you focus on your natural occurring hyaluronic acid that your body is already has the ability to produce. And so instead of relying on the things that you apply on your skin, which you pay money for, a lot of money sometimes, why don't you take care of your own body, help to generate more of this healthy hyaluronic acids that has a study that binds 1,000 to 6,000 times of its weight. And another thing is there is just no study that shows those synthetic or those hyaluronic acid that could be found in those skincare ingredients can actually hold 1,000 to 6,000 times of its weight of moisture. There's just no study. The only study that shows, it can potentially has a higher capacity to hold moisture. So what can we do? Why don't we just boost the natural occurring hyaluronic acid that our cell is already producing by helping our skin to make more of that hyaluronic acid? Try to use ingredients that helps to increase that cell turnover. So whenever there is cell turnover, it comes with a complete hyaluronic acid. So with this new hyaluronic acid can gives you moisture to your skin. So how can you increase your cell turnover, help to renew your skin? By using AHA, BHA or PHA. PHA are for people who have more sensitive skin, it is more mild. So all these ingredients help to renew that cell turnover, take away all this dead skin cell on your face, help to renew that skin cell, help to generate your skin cell. So it helps to produce more of this natural occurring hyaluronic acid on your skin. And apart from that, drink more water. Where does the hyaluronic acid binds or source the moisture from? From something that we eat or drink. And try to eat more high water content vegetables like cucumbers or celery. So all this helps to give moisture to the hyaluronic acid in our body, and also it helps to increase our cell turnover, produces more natural occurring hyaluronic acids. So that's what you're gonna do. So if you really wanted to perfect your skincare routine, you need to really think whether hyaluronic acid is being included in pretty much all of your steps in your routine, whether it's in your serum, whether it's in your moisturizer, whether it's in your, I don't know, sunscreen. Have a look again at your routine and see whether you're incorporating them too much in your skincare routine. I hope this video gives you more information or perspective on this very hyped, famous, all-known ingredients. If you find this video useful, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below so I know you have enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. I will see you in my next one. Bye!